Guys, it's Brianne here, and thanks for watching my video. If you're new to my channel, please hit subscribe. If you've watched a video before, thanks for coming back. Today I'm just doing a really quick desk organization. Here you can see the before. This is what I had going on. It just kind of became a catch-all for all of the junk in my room. So I started off by just taking everything off my desk. I'm kind of just putting it on the ground because I was in the middle of cleaning my room. This was just part of the cleaning process. So I'm just taking everything off. I kind of found homes for everything where it belongs. So if it doesn't end up back on the desk, it's because it didn't belong there in the first place. Then I started going through paperwork. This is just like the worst part of desk organization. You kind of just have to go through any stacks of papers. There's a greeting card. I don't know about you, but I cannot get rid of greeting cards. I have a drawer filled with them. Something about throwing away something that someone wrote to you, I'm not there yet. Anyways, I made 3 piles of paper. There is the trash pile. There is, Nick Jonas. He's not trash. He goes back on the bulletin board. Then there's my keep pile. And then the last little pile there is just some notepads that I'm going to donate because I don't use them and I won't use them. I have so many. After that, I just went to this little drawer, and basically that's not too messy. I just kind of needed to organize what was down there a little bit because if I throw one extra thing in there, it kind of throws everything out of whack. So got that done. And then whenever you organize or clean, you just have to wipe down any hard surface. So I did that with my DIY cleaning spray and a microfiber towel just to get it super clean. One thing that's hard about glass is you can't really tell like which side things are stuck on. So that's me trying to get off a little bit of gunk off of the bottom of the glass. After that, just start putting everything back up where it belongs. So I started with my little file, putting in all that paperwork that I went through and the notebooks. So I do have another basket of notebooks. That's another story, another video, but I like to keep one notebook up top. That's usually where I'll write down important notes. Then my planner, which I'm not really using at the moment, but it's just so pretty. I just love the color, so I like to have it on my desk. It's more like decorative at this point. And then I just threw that big stack of papers in it because I don't use it on a daily basis, and if I need those papers, I know where to find them. Okay guys, this light is my favorite desk lamp I've ever had. It is a little touch to turn on. Got it off Amazon. It is amazing. And then I'm just adding on my pen cups. That's Baymax in a cocoa mug that I turned into pen cups. And my little troll piggy bank. I love him. So cute. And then just the other odds and ends that belong on that desk, which is my books and my iPad. So as you can see, that's the before. Again, not too bad, just a little bit messy. And the after looks gorgeous. I'm obsessed. I love having it looking clean and clear like that. So guys, thank you so much for watching this short video. Make sure you subscribe, like, leave a comment, and I'll see you soon. Bye!